Hi guys, in Derby, it's absolutely throwing it down with rain. Not good weather. Proper thundering and lightning. Sky's full of it, as we can see. So yeah, it's absolutely bouncing with rain here. So I hope all you lot who are in Corfu enjoy your weather. Because here, as you can see over there, look, it's black. Not good at all, mate. Not good at all. It's horrible weather today. Really horrible. It's terrible. Absolutely throwing it down. I'm here in Derby. Proper bouncing. Good old English weather. Hey up, Karen. Hey up, Kaz. How we doing, love? Absolutely throwing it down. Nope, I'm sending you your way. Kaz, I'm sending it your way, love. Oh, we have a bit of white sky coming over. Might be brightening up. Might be just a storm going over. Whoa, lightning. Listen for thunder. Let's have a listen. Wow, I hope you all got that. That were a right clack. Oh my god, I'm getting wet through here. It's proper battering it down. Hey, oh, hang on a minute, I'm getting wet. Piss off. Go away. It's absolutely throwing it down. Proper bouncing. I've got my own little waterfall, look here. You see that? Hey! Only now some fish. I hope you can hear this on my roof. It's proper battering it down. That's in Derby. Not good at all. Not good. It's proper going for it. Yeah, we've got some kind of clear weather coming over. Don't know where, like. Kaz, not funny, love. Not funny. Hi, Nigel. It's just hammering it down with rain here in Derby. Absolutely throwing it down. Looks like sun's trying to creep out a bit. This is your typical English weather. I'm getting absolutely drenched here. Oh, everyone's happy I'm getting wet. Ooh. I hope you heard that. Whoa. This is proper coming down now, this. Hey, oh, I'm gonna need a rowing boat soon. That is proper coming down. Oh my days. Can someone send me a dinghy? I'm here in Derby. Hey up, Stace. I'm here in Derby. I need a dinghy. It's getting wet and not good. I need more than my bloody wellies, guys. I need waders. Yeah. Hey, I'm getting wet. Ew. Not good. Not good. Christ almighty. Proper bouncing. Shut moaning. Nope. Sunny here. Right, Stacey, some rain is coming your way. Oh, I hope we've got a rainbow over there now. Let me see if I can... Oh dear, that's a bit of a squeaky window. See if I can get that rainbow over there, look. I don't know if you can see that. It's a bit of a rainbow. But yeah. It's absolutely. Yeah, it's just stopping now. Easy enough. So, there you go. So there's your weather for today in Derby. Not good. As you can see, we need his welly bogs, and we need waders. I need a rowing boat. I'm tipping it morning round here, and I'm going to get wet. Oh, lovely. On that note, see you later, guys. It's tea time. So, let's have a look around. See you later in Derby. Bye.